Hello my little stars, I am Miss Fatma. Hope you all are fine. Let's start today's class. Alif zair E, Be zair B, Pe zair P, Te zair T, Te zair T, Se zair C, Jim zair G, Che zair Chi, He zair He, Khe zair Khi. अब रवां पढ़ते हैं. E, B, P, T, T, C, G, Chi, He, He. Okay stars, hope you learned very well. See you in the next class. Bye.